iPhone SE 2, release date news. Apple plans to begin assembling a new budget model in February this year. Sources familiar with the situation said that the new smartphone will be presented in March. Assembly will be carried out by Han High Precision Industry Company, Foxconn Technology, Pegatron Corporation and Wistron Corporation. When will the iPhone SE 2 be presented? According to the reputable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, we have to wait for the presentation for a short time, reports MacRumors. According to him, Apple will hold a presentation in the first half of 2020. Then a new version of the iPad Pro tablet with a TOF sensor will be presented, as well as the long-awaited budget smartphone iPhone SE 2. This step is quite logical, because the iPhone SE was released back in 2016. Now this is the only version of the budget from Apple. What is known about the iPhone SE 2? This will be the first budget model of the iPhone after the iPhone SE, the price of which after the release in 2016 was $399. The new 4.7-inch model will be similar to the iPhone 8, released in 2017. The iPhone 8 smartphone remains on sale, its price starts at $449. According to rumors, iPhone SE 2 will receive a new proprietary A13 processor paired with 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB for data storage. At the same time, for authentication, there will be a Touch ID fingerprint scanner, not Face ID. In 2020, Apple plans to launch a new iPhone series, which will include smartphones with 5G support, a faster processor and a new 3D camera, Bloomberg reported earlier. What will be the new iPhone SE 2? The first images. The release of the budget model may allow the manufacturer to compete in the fast-growing smartphone markets, especially in India, where the iPhone is still inferior to Android, which can be bought for less than $200. Apple plans to open its branded stores in India. Apple hopes iPhone sales will return to growth and exceed 200 million units in 2020. The new budget version of the iPhone can play a significant role in achieving this goal. How much will it cost? Analysts have already guessed how much Apple will appreciate the future new product. iPhone SE 2 can cost around $400.